Whoa.
It's brutal.
Yeah, what the hell?
Section. Got anything on the Menendez video?
Nothing, sir. This drive could answer some questions.
I deployed.
Oh, sir. Whoa, sir.
Come on, rise up. Yeah.
Looking forward to working with you on this one.
Oh, sir. Bro.
I don't know.
Not what happened to her.
Chojo Siwa?
Section,
Joshua? I
bad
don't know what
news.
happened to
The
her.
guild's onto me.
Jaja.
Moving to the
Ja,
Bravo
ja, ja.
Cliff Tower. Let's meet there.
Jaja.
She's dating a man, that's
I
right.
hijacked a guild's
Oh, yeah, and that TV show.
That's
From that TV show.
crazy. It didn't even last like a year. Like not even.
Guild's moving in. Open fire.
Oh, that's right.
AK has 60 bullets.
AK 27.
The Black Cat.
Use
That was just a hack
on
code?
the big bots specifically. So small
The
bots,
dog.
small bots they
The
kill
dog.
in one hit, but it takes just as much time to shoot them. Larger bots, it's worthwhile to use the black hat on them.
Like the VTOL, we're supposed to hack that one?
VTOL, I don't think we can hack it.
No.
If you can try it, I don't think so.
I'm gonna go down. What's my ult do? No, the beacon scan?
To scan.
Just got to the grotto. And yeah, this place is a mess.
My game is not loading or something.
Pictures.
My game does not look good right now.
The grotto's beneath the town.
Linguini and Soprano, they have to be big.
The guy from Matter 2? Some of the guy from Matter 2?
Yeah, from Ratatouille. I don't think there's anyone named Soprano in Ratatouille, though.
Yeah. No. Oh my god. Am I dead? Low key. No, I'm low key dead. The fall damage?
Good to see you again,
We're
Section.
going down here?
Let me know when you want to go over the plan.
I thought it was a black hole. Is my game gonna fix? Maybe. Is it karma?
So far, we haven't identified the gas
No.
or any potential treatments. Civilians in Avalon weren't as lucky as you guys.
Somehow we survived it, even at ground zero. I don't think Kagan was expecting that. Maybe our insider has answers.
He went dark just after you arrived. But get this, the Guild keeps biometric data on all its staff. They're tracking their movements, controlling access to sensitive facilities, depots, vehicles, you name it.
If we get our hands on the Guild's biometrics and use it to pinpoint our guy,
If the Guild hasn't found him already.
then we better find him first.
Little rat.
Upgrade available.
Oh.
So what's next? We need to extract enough biometric chips from cadavers to develop a baseline. Then, we search for our insider.
Yeah, there's a bunch of dead assholes around here.
Not those bodies. Soldiers don't have the biochips we need. I'll need to identify targets with active chips. I marked a supply cache on your map. I'll search for targets while you grab it. I'll be providing you guys with
Towards
mission
the
tech
attack.
support, whatever you need.
Marking target location.
That's fucking you go. There's another button I'm missing.
That was something back there. Seeing Menendez again? I saw him die in Haiti, didn't I? Am I losing my fucking mind?
Alright, you can drop us off over here.
thing.
That's good too.
Marking target location.
Nice.
Is there a map button?
Not in this game. Not in this mode, rather. Not during the story.
Just killing innocent people?
You guys are part of the guild, you're not.
That raider.
I don't want this pistol. I get this. Burst
Plenty of
me
new
on.
hardware here.
I'm seeing some chip activity at the water treatment plant. It's heavily
Oh,
guarded.
my control's vibrating. What does it mean?
Moving that
Going to
way.
the water treatment plant.
I'm on that thing actually. Oh man, my game looks rough right now.
Chop. You want to restart?
Okay.
You can restart if you want to and rejoin.
No. No.
It still looks.
I think this map is just huge.
This is a huge map.
Karma, we're at the water treatment plant.
Perfect. I've dialed in a signal range on the target. That new scan upgrade could help isolate the bodies we need.
Are we splitting up for this?
Huh?
Are we splitting up?
We can. I'll go to this one. Good luck.
Water plant or a more.
Looks like the guild's doing some waste management.
Biometric data uploaded.
We got our first, Karma.
What the heck?
Biometric
These are
data
soldiers?
uploaded.
Got one.
Got lucky. Ship was still offline. Caught it just in time. We're close to building
Oh my
a
god.
profile.
I'm like, what the hell am I looking at my screens? These shields.
Gonna have to find one last target. Give me a few.
Getting back up to the water treatment plant. Sending units by air.
Watch out for the VTOL!
That's what I want to put on. For that recall.
Mark the last target on the map. We need it if we want access to the Guild's biometric database.
Biometric data uploaded.
Baseline matched. Linked into the Guild's biometric database.
Oh, my knife.
Karma, you got what we need to locate our insider?
Almost. I've got our insider's biosignature, but no lock on his real-time location. We'll need to sweep the area and tighten the read. Gonna have to find something to gain altitude for a clear signal. In the meantime, I located a nearby supply truck with mobility gear. That'll help.
They're flying.
Mobility here.
The jump packs? How do we get up?
When I grab it, we're both gonna get it.
Download complete. Wingsuit operational asset acquired.
Upgrades. We could use
So
these.
your mega jump, and
Put a
then
little
as
spring in
you
our
get
step.
into the air, you wingsuit.
Altitude's key to locking the insider's signal. There's an incoming VTOL. Landing spot's just up ahead. I can breach its system, but I need you to be close.
We're
Hop on
landing
so
on
I
this
can
thing?
override the VTOL.
I'm gonna get on the VTOL.
Protect the VTOL while I hack it.
Nice. Nice.
Incoming frag!
I can get on the VTOL and it's
I made it this time.
I'm tapped in, ready for takeoff.
Whoa!
If any of
If I
you
jump,
still
do I fall
on
off?
the line, try to keep up.
no.
Gonna fly through the signal
Doesn't
hotspot
fly you,
to
you
get a
don't have
clear
to worry
read
about
on his
anything, just
location.
stay prone until we're done.
VTOL needs to stay in the air, just long enough to lock his signal.
Give me popcorn,
Is Karma flying us?
yeah,
Nice.
chill, look at your phone.
Karma!
Oh,
Chill
not
on
work.
those turns!
Just trying to follow the signal waves. First hotspot coming up over our car factory. Protect the VTOL while I scan for the
Nice.
signal.
Pretty cool.
Got a ping. The signal zone is shrinking. I'm gonna fly you to the next hotspot. They're coming and hitting. Stay with me. We're almost there.
I'm here there.
Uh-oh.
And why is it beeping? You ever sleep it on?
Got another ping. I'm close to getting his
Okay.
coordinates.
You ready to bring two?
VTOL's
Stand
not
up.
gonna make it.
No.
Deploy the wingsuit now.
Yeah, I died.
Section, you alright?
Rough landing, but we made it. That signal, any stronger?
I've got him. The signal's coming from a shipyard.
That's
Damn, it's not besiege.
I don't know yet.
Okay, let's go. Like
Get
stand
eyes on the
up.
shipyard before you go in. There's an overlook
Oh.
ahead.
Oh, I'm in the front seat.
Yeah, they come back in there.
Confirmed. Our
That's
insider-
different.
Signal's coming from inside a shipping container.
Could be hiding, injured, or
It must be the rock of the graves.
Oh, Mason Woods.
You don't want any part of this.
we good?
I remember that in the jungle.
Just some old memories. Let's move to
The
find
jungle
this
on
guy.
a boat.
He's gotta know something about
Black
the
Ops
tops.
1.
Ooh. I didn't know that. Interesting.
We need to secure the area before going in.
Okay, we're gonna jump right here and then we're gonna fly all the way across. You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna land right on top of this red building
We
over
can use
here.
those bridges. Let's drop him down. Hell yeah.
Then we're gonna do the same thing at the end of this building. Jump and then fly
Speed run.
all the way over here.
Might be getting shot, Loki.
And then right at the end of this dock, do this one more time. And
Oh, look at that. And I died.
no, no. You're doing so good.
I didn't do shit. That was last place, but like we had double points.
You can get to the end from the roof up there. So you can jump and then fly all the way to the docks over here.
What the? Shields got heavy defenses by the dock.
Oh, VTOL. Oh, that's the guy we can't have.
That's our container. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't have it anymore.
Be careful, section.
Oh, hell no. Why is there Woods? Woods? Is Woods in there? Mason Woods? Should I open it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh. I'm gonna go get a drink. While I watch this
okay, I need to
cutscene.
go.
Okay.
I'm gonna drink after this.
Karma, we're in. We've got casualties.
Other bodies got hit with the same shit.
Oh, is this our insider?
And the insider?
We got a live one.
We got our rat.
It's our guy. Just hang in there. Karma, gonna need a medevac.
It's no use, Mason.
Say again, Karma?
You're dead. My whole team. You're all dead.
Frank?
Who else would it be?
Woods? What's happening?
Menendez did this. I'm going after him, Mason. This is my fight. Don't follow me.
The hell we won't. Everybody form up.
Whoa. A second ago we were in Avalon, man. Where's the informant? None of this can be real.
Woods needs us.
David Woods is dead.
We're going after Woods. End of discussion.
Sigma.
Hello?
Hello. I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay.
We're still at the
I'll be
docks.
back.
Okay.
Frank's the key somehow. Maybe if we find him, this hallucination ends.
Whoa. Hi, babe. How are you enjoying multiplayer?
What?
How are you enjoying multiplayer?
That's okay, I'm just really bad at hard point.
Hard point. Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
One more mission
Yeah.
for now. Okay.
These bodies are American. Old school gear. 1980s. They were the Woods?
This unit never left Angola. Menendez made sure of it.
We have a new ability.
We got our climb covered.
Grapple hook. Oh god. What kind of grapple hook is this?
Serious pull.
I died.
How is all this connected to Menendez and Frank
If
Woods?
you grapple and then
Menendez
press
captured him and
your
his
button
men.
to let go,
Left
you
him
can
to
start
rot in a shipping
shooting.
container.
And your dad rescued him in Angola.
Yeah, but Menendez wasn't done with Frank. Or my dad.
Kill? Here?
Like that makes me less sense than the rest of this shit.
Oh my god. This thing got recoil.
Stand down, David. This is my friend.
We can help you, Frank.
I'll handle this, David. Stay the fuck away from me.
We're coming, like it or not.
What is happening?
Don't let him pass us.
60 rounds in this LMG, bro. Give me that. If I'm getting an LMG, give it 180 rounds. No less, please.
I hate reloading for 15 seconds.
60 rounds?
For 200.
For 200, yeah, me too. Try to reload for 10 seconds for 200 rounds.
So strong.
You can
What's my
just
ult do?
fly all over these enemies, but
Oh, yeah.
it's not a timer.
Uh-oh. It's not good.
You mentioned a container? There's one.
Frank's gotta be in there.
What are those plant things
Oh,
around
he's
it?
definitely in here.
Whatever the hell they are, they got that box on lockdown.
We should see where those vines lead.
Give me some wood stalling.
What the hell is that?
vines. You see any? Shoot them.
See that? Shoot those growths in the vine dive.
Oh, he's coming.
I lost you. Oh, secret.
Take it. You hold on to it.
Oh, I just touched it.
You can jump.
Yeah.
Crouch it and shoot it. At an enemy.
All bang.
Get down, Frank.
Alright, what are we supposed to shoot?
You're supposed to save it, but that's okay. You shoot it at enemies. It's a kill streak. It's just like an MP. Just does a lot of damage. Charge sniper.
Shoot through walls.
Nice. Oh, that's true. Alright, then there's 2 more enemies in there, but we don't want to
50-50 using Gravemaker.
Fucking bastard just hissed at me.
Oh. Plant bulb.
We gotta
Bulbous.
fuck these vines up.
Bulbous. This is crazy. This is crazy. This one in Black Ops 7. I just died. I got one shot, what was that?
No sick bay here.
Bloated you up.
That's a little strong.
To the barge.
Vines are gone. Secure the barge.
Oh God, who's inside? Menendez? I feel like Menendez is inside.
Focus fire on the barge. Yeah! Tell me what's the plan.
Has no ammo. Ah!
Stop. Stop it. Cool.
Frank?
Nice.
Jungle,
You're
barge.
hallucinating.
Woods told me this is how my father found him in Angola. So where is he?
Look, man, we still don't know dick about what's happening to us.
Menendez, now Woods.
Mm-hmm.
This toxin's growing on your memories, Commander.
You gotta get your head on straight road.
Yeah, bro.
Come on, bro.
I can sever our connection.
Maybe. Keep it short. Just enough to test.
Where are we gonna end up?
Cerebral Link Protocol, authorization code Delta 471. Suspend operation, duration 5 seconds. Initiate in 3.
Uh-oh, where are we gonna end up?
1.
Let's not do that again.
Okay,
Zombies.
what the hell is this?
I told you not to follow me.
Frank? I feel like it's my fault we're here.
Mason, just lead the way, man.
On me.
Right on.
I thought they were gonna be like tied to a chair. Damage?
Damage upgrade available.
Do I have to click that or is that automatic?
I think I prefer the jungle.
Commander, you recognize this place?
Oh my god, red blood.
Everything's distorted.
There's something down there.
Oh my god, who's that?
Don't look like woods to me. Holy shit!
We got zombies! What? What?
What is
What?
this?
How about we
What?
take a closer look?
Frank?
Menendez strung us up. Forced me to watch him carve into my guys. Then left me to rot at their corpses. Would have sold my soul for a chance to get even with him. Hell, maybe I did. 'Cause something in the jungle heard me. Watched his team get tortured.
What the hell?
How do you move on from that?
Did it. Martin Frank never left that container.
Crash cart.
Swaps it with its a major ability, so the big ones are major abilities, the small ones are minor abilities. I don't think you need Crash Cart. I think we're probably not gonna die, but it's up to you.
Yeah. I don't
Right.
think we die.
Get out of here, David.
It always makes you do 2 of them.
Frank, what is all this?
I fell in.
My path.
I landed on like a hard surface and took damage, and then fell into the cradle and died.
Oh my god, is it water?
So, yeah.
I thought it was
Frank,
just like
this isn't
floor.
your fight
It's
anymore.
cradle, but
So goddamn stubborn. Just like your dad.
they,
Blood.
yeah.
Oh, what was that? Ugh!
It's so high.
Where are we? Oh my god. Oh my god. They're a little familiar. A little familiar.
This way.
Can heal. Here, Tua.
It's that barge again. That another memory?
Oh my god. I mean,
I was handed a target. Told
it
was Menendez.
Almost dying.
It's hooded, bound. All I had to do was take that shot.
The Barrett 50 cal.
Fucking lie. I killed Alex Mason. I killed Alex Mason.
I remember that. He shot a hooded figure. Can I take his gun?
Woods killed your father? It was an accident.
Menendez tricked him. David knows that.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just go up here and avoid standing on the barge. It's an on-rail segment where the water raises.
Okay. The lava's rising.
Water's rising, yeah. Come over here and grab this.
Damn, you're fine.
Feeds on our hate.
Use your grappling hook.
Oh yeah.
More. Once you grab this, go up here.
Okay, grabbed it.
What's waiting for us up there?
No!
Guess we're finding out.
I can't see any flashlight.
Flashlight?
No, that's 50 bullets. That was 80, wow. I almost died. just move by itself. I can't even see. Oh my god, I'm in the cradle. Heck no. These shadows and lighting making freaking noise.
Lines won't run until all those ropes are dead. Let's tear these switching jungle fucks apart!
2 flowers. Oh, wow, I just pinched myself. Bro, what just happened to me? I fell off.
Lines are gone. Let's go find Frank.
Another container ahead.
Secret?
Yes.
It looks like the
A
box
dev
is
secret?
Avalon.
Squad sinking.
He's just waiting for happening? You fly around this side, find a little island back here with a couple things. There's a Grave Maker here. Pretty good.
No, I have the sentry gun.
Okay. You can choose one or the other because the Grave Maker is useful for this boss. There's also another sentry gun over there.
I'll take the Grave Maker.
Okay. I think that's a good idea.
Oh. Which one do you have?
I have the sentry.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh no.
Change anything else you want.
Kill someone? Rain kill.
It's a little suspicious, no?
No.
Combat axes buried in the tree. I feel like I'm in Elden Ring a little bit.
I feel like I'm in Vietnam.
Vietnam? Yeah.
Hold on.
No.
I thought it was Menendez.
This was traumatizing to watch. Black Ops 1.
Who was that, Frank?
You know who it is, David.
My audio just died.
What was that noise?
My audio just
Have
died.
to help us wake up.
Oh.
I can't help you, David.
What's Wood's last name?
Woods.
What's his first name? What the hell is this? The nightmare.
What?
Don't use your Grave Maker until the very last phase.
What are we
Read the... Oh shit, it blew me off of the freaking mountain.
Vincent, up you go.
You can read the objective, it'll tell you what you have to shoot. So it'll change it.
They hit first on it, right on the line. Shoot it, all of them.
the flower things?
Shoot those scumbags!
They're protecting it.
It's very interesting.
Target the open growth!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get by the balls.
The heck? Spider. Spider. Meatballs.
Growths are gone.
After we
Damn! Still too strong!
Just like Grave
It's gonna feed off you like a goddamn parasite.
Still the
Right.
lingering enemies. Put it right in the
Jungle always wins.
in the hole.
Get yourself down.
Not gonna let you rot inside this mob.
Those are switch heads.
Oh no, once it dies it'll go again. I had a grenade launcher. Just as fast actually. I don't know why they did this, but they used to be able to one-shot the heads with the Gravemaker, and it was like kind of cool, but
Too OP?
too OP. I don't, whatever.
Woods?
I'm not worth it, David. I'm a fucking monster.
Fucking monster.
We saved them?
No. Raul Menendez tricked you. You would never kill my father. You loved me. Menendez wanted you to suffer. Us to suffer. You got her. You gotta forgive yourself.
It's good advice, kid. You first.
Woods?
Frank Woods? What's this main character's last name? Mason Woods?
Bioweapon.
Alex Mason, and this is David Mason.
That's confusing. Those are Insider? What the hell?
The Cradle.
We did it though. Somehow.
What did we do?
Survived the nightmare.
Beat this thing.
Oh. Interesting.
For context, they're all just standing there inside that shipping container while that man is
Colonel, our
dying.
insider called the
That
Bioweapon.
man is actively dying.
They're hallucinating
They're all
over
like,
him.
Oh, nightmare. Woods, no.
I'm not Woods.
He's like, I'm not Woods, I'm not Woods. Please, the cradle.
Seems our sea links are holding us together so far.
That's good news. And I've got more.
Santa Claus, oh my god.
He's so big.
Oh, I want the plastic ball Coca-Colas.
We've had another breakthrough thanks to Carmen's work on that hard drive you acquired. Menendez is a guild defect. He's dead. You can rest
Oh. It's like a hologram?
What's their ultimate goal?
Don't know. We can assume they'll use